In 2026, digital payments are more flexible than ever. People want cards that work globally, support multiple currencies, and adapt to both traditional money and crypto. One card that continues to get attention is the Wirex card. It promises easy spending, crypto rewards, and multi-currency support. But do you actually need it? The Wirex card is a payment card connected to a digital wallet that holds both fiat and cryptocurrencies. Instead of converting crypto manually and transferring money to a bank account, you can spend directly using the card. This makes everyday payments simpler for people already involved in crypto. One of the biggest advantages of the Wirex card is its multi-currency functionality. You can hold and spend several fiat currencies alongside popular cryptocurrencies. When you pay, the system automatically converts the balance you're using. This can be useful for international travel, online purchases, and cross-border spending without constantly worrying about exchange rates. Another key feature is the reward system. Instead of traditional cashback, Wirex offers rewards in cryptocurrency. For users who believe in long-term crypto growth, this can be attractive. Everyday purchases slowly turn into crypto holdings, which feels like passive accumulation. However, these rewards are still tied to market volatility, meaning their real value can rise or fall. The Wirex app plays an important role in the experience. It allows you to track spending, manage balances, freeze the card instantly, and control how your funds are used. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which makes the card practical for daily use. Now let's talk about the downsides. Fees and exchange rates are one of the main concerns. While the card is convenient, conversions may include spreads or service fees that are higher than using a dedicated exchange. If you're making frequent transactions, these small costs can add up over time. Another factor is regional availability. Depending on where you live, certain features like rewards or specific currencies may be limited. This means not all users get the same experience in 2026. So, do you need the Wirex card? If you actively use crypto, travel often, or want one card that handles both digital and traditional money, the Wirex card can be a solid option. It offers convenience, flexibility, and a modern payment experience. If your spending is mostly in one currency or you prefer predictable cashback and minimal fees, the Wirex card may not be essential. In that case, a traditional debit or credit card could be a better fit. In summary, the Wirex card isn't for everyone, but for crypto-friendly users who value flexibility, it can make everyday payments easier in 2026. If this review helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments if you'd use a crypto card for daily spending. See you in the next one.